हेलो बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे ABCD। तो सबसे पहले जान लेते हैं कलर नेम। रेड कलर, रेड कलर। ग्रीन कलर, ग्रीन कलर। येलो कलर, येलो कलर। black color, black color. Red color. A for aeroplane, A for aeroplane. B for banana, B for banana. C for cat, C for cat. Black color. D for dolphin, D for dolphin. E for eagle, E for eagle. F for flower, F for flower. Sky blue color. G for God, G for God. H for horse, H for horse. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. Silver color. J for joker, J for joker. K for kite, K for kite. L for lion, L for lion. Pink color. M for mango, M for mango. N for nose, N for nose. O for orange, O for orange. Yellow color. P for pineapple, P for pineapple. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rose, R for rose. Sky blue color. S for sun, S for sun. T for tiger, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. Green color. V for van, V for van. W for water, W for water. X for X-ray, X for X-ray. Red color. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zebra, Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.